In this video we are going to work with a point cloud generated from a drone flight in Tcp PointCloud Editor and ZWCAD 2024. We start from a LAS file with the point cloud. In Tcp PointCloud Editor, we import the file. We visualize the cloud orbiting in 3D. To quickly insert it into ZWCAD, we export it to a file in RCS format. In ZWCAD 2024, we insert the file and check that it is displayed instantly. We return to the Tcp PointCloud Editor, where we are going to select the points that do not belong to the terrain with the CSF filter. Points belonging to buildings, trees, lampposts, cars, etc., have been selected. We remove them, since they do not belong to the terrain. Now we create a mesh with a cell size of 1 meter. We enable the lighting, hide the point cloud, and modify the color. Next, we proceed to smooth the mesh. We activate ZWCAD again and draw the digital model. We can activate or deactivate the cloud by clicking on the corresponding icon. Now we are going to draw an alignment over the cloud. To do this, we will draw a 3D polyline of yellow color and an appreciable thickness. We show the long section ribbon and select the drawn polyline. We accept the default parameters and draw the profile in paper space. Finally, we are going to modify the terrain by creating a grading. First we draw the outline. We establish the elevation of the esplanade and the slopes. We draw the current surface as 3D faces, and hide the point cloud to check the final result.